Hello, hello. We are live. Uh, let's go. Yeah. So Sunday, June 28th. Wait, did I just put a 26 on my headline? No, I put 28. That's correct. I did not mess that one up. So, yeah, Sunday, a lot of going on. So the drama between Iran again. Let's see how the market's gonna react for that with that drama. So see, gotta wait and see, right? So let me open up some stuff here, getting everything organized. Then we can rock and roll, guys. Excited to be here Sunday. Uh, did a lot today. My website is almost done. Uh, tradingwithdiego.com. It's almost done. So yeah, starting to look pretty nice. So I'm gonna share with you guys pretty soon. So let me see what we get here. There are some levels that I want to share with you guys. Yeah, there are some levels that I want to review. So usually I go on the longer time frame, right? See the 1 hour chart. We are in a support right here. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna open 5 minutes and yeah. So let me share the website with you guys. Tradingwithdiego.com. Just got it done. As you can see here, live on YouTube, Sunday, Thursday. Trading with Diego, the new logo, ChillWD, Trading with Diego, get founder. Watch my free course, get founder, join Discord, YouTube members, Discord members, 5 days a week. Compare the best prop firms out there. See, I put Hey Jan, that's the only one that I'm affiliate for now. My founder trader, I take a profit. I need to apply to all of them. I heard it's not that easy to get approved, but yeah, we'll see. So position calculator. That is something that I created that I think will be pretty cool actually to help you guys. For example, one contract, right? One contract, if you make 20 points, if you make 50 points, you make 1,000, right? On Nasdaq mini. Your stop loss is like 20 points, so you lose $400, right? So as you can see here, 2.5, it's a great setup. So you can put like the amount of your account size. So pretty much 1 point, uh, one tick, like it shows here, right? $25, 25 cents. You can calculate your micro and everything else. So pretty cool stuff. So let me share the link with the Discord really quick here. So whoever wanna come and join us, let me share the link. Yes, I'll share with everyone. So yeah, we're gonna be open in 3 minutes. Yeah, so that's the website that I created. I think gonna help a lot of people. So hope you guys like it. I'm gonna be sharing the link on the in the live stream. So hope it can help everyone. You just put your position size. Let's say you wanna take 3 contracts. How much is your risk? How much is your stop loss? Um, how much is your stop loss? That's your risk. How much is your reward? And we have for micro as well. So I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Another thing I created was a dashboard. So as you can see here, economic calendar. You can see the economic calendar. You can see the price live here on top. There are a lot of other things coming soon that I need to work on it. So live charts, you see, you should work on that and it should be bigger. See how smaller looks. So yeah, needs to open up. So market news, you can see the news here. Technical analysis, you can see, so the data failed. Yeah, needs to work on that as well. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So you guys can learn more about me and so forth. I'll be sharing that again later. So everybody got a chance to take a look, So yeah. And that's all for now. Let's wait. Let's wait for the market to open. So let's wait for the market to open. Couple more minutes to go. So a minute exactly. So yeah, that's pretty much spending all weekend work on this website. So turned out pretty cool. I'll review again after the market open. After the market calms down, 'cause, usually we have like crazy opening. So and let's go. Let's hit the like button and let's go. To help the stream, Hitting the like gonna help the stream. So to wait and see the market open. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna try to not go crazy at the open.
The market is
So
open.
now it's open. Look, it's popping up. So gonna wait a little. Trying to be patient today. How's the stream, by the way? Can somebody comment that if it's good or not? So I changed some stuff here. So I put like a before I was using Wi-Fi. Now I'm using a cable connected directly. So let me know if the stream is good. So please comment on chat. If the stream is good or not, let me know, guys. Because I ended up buying a cable, ethereal cable before I was using Wi-Fi. So right now we shoot 35 points red on the day for the opening, 40 points Nasdaq. So feel looks like the market did not care about the headline about problems with Iran. But I read somewhere that they stopped fighting, they made another deal, something like that. But I don't know. Well, look like we're popping for now. So see, can we get? Yeah, we popping. We popping from 84 to 394. Wow, 100 points pop right there. It's pretty nice. Going straight up, all the way up. The trick is patient. I'm gonna wait a little for the price to settle. So I'm gonna wait a little for the price to settle down. But looks like we're going. Looks like one of those Nasdaq open. When we go non-stop, that's what's happening. Look at that. Non-stop, man, from 280. Ooh, 285 to 4 something, 460s. Wow, 200 point, guys. And looks like we keep going. Non-stop. And the foam will start to hitting everybody. See some YouTubers that I follow that's kind of really getting in trouble. We're going up fast. We're going up fierce. Better to wait. Now look like we're slowing down a little. Nope. Keep it going. Keep it rolling. Hey, whoever took that long, congratulations. Look at that. Damn. Those are one of those that you're like, oh, I should have chased. And if you chase, it dumps on you. I would say best be patient. No position, sometimes it's a good position. Oh yeah, I just saw here. US and Iran agreed to halt strikes and meet this week. I just saw that on X. Look like one of the squeeze after squeeze. You're like, oh, let's chase. You chase, man. Good luck. Good luck. But I think actually gonna keep popping. That looks very strong. Looks like we're gonna keep popping. Well, I hope you guys had a good weekend and yep, good luck. Looks like we're gonna keep popping, but I don't know. I don't feel like trading. Let's see, 30 minutes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, we bounced right on the support. Look, beautiful bounce. The FOMO is real. You look at that, you're like, man, I want to chase. And look at that, yeah, it's going. You know why it's keep going? Because people keep shorting, people keep going like, so it's algorithm. Yeah, man, let's go, it's going. Congratulations for whoever took that. You know, it's very tempting to go and fight the trend now. Like, oh, I'm gonna short, it's up too much, but I don't know. Gonna wait. Better wait and be patient. What do you guys think if I do like a giveaway or something? I have those next gen affiliate that I'm thinking about asking for like a giveaway account. Let's see what you guys think. I think what I think right now is that we're gonna go here, here, here. Let's see if we can do that. Did anybody take that pop? Did anybody was courageous and took like 300 points? Yeah, it was 300 points right there. Hey, now we're gonna hold the 9. That's the 9 moving average. See if we hold. When we hold and pop, yeah, looks like we're holding. So if I go long here, I gotta have my stop right below the 86. Now I'm thinking, am I having FOMO here? Oh, that would be a good strategy. Is that FOMO or that's a good strat? We gotta hold the 9. And looks like we are not holding for now. Open up the chat. Anyone can participate now. So here, tags. And you're good. Yeah, looks like we're not holding. So let's try one here. Ah, too fast. Too fast without me. Look at that. Put my order, man. Put my order. This thing just flies. Try to get in. Hey, market came back. I said, nope. Tell you what, I see continuation there. I wonder if that's gonna be like a little resistance right here. Maybe 36. Maybe 36 becomes a little resistance there. Hmm. Crazy pop at the open. Yeah, and we keep going. We keep on going, guys, non-stop. I tried to get long right here. I couldn't get filled. Now we going, man. What's the next level? Wow, see, we got a pass here. Then we go all the way here to 700. Yeah, I tried to get out, get in right here. 505. And it just popped 10 points without me. Just moving too fast. Moving too fast. So my analysis now do that. There, there, and there. That's what I see now. Let's see. Let's see if I get that one right. Let's see if we drop a little at least. Yeah, no drop, man. Just keep going. She just keep going non-stop. Be nice if we could retest here. Oh, see 70 points. Volatility is real. Volatility is real, guys. No joke, man. That's no joke right there. Oh, the moving average is slowing down a little. And we drop like that. Boom. Let's see. I mean, we can also go all the way down. That's like, I've seen that before multiple times. Go pop, do that, and boom. But I don't see it. I don't see that happening. I see like we're popping. Let's see. How is the stream, by the way? Is the stream good? Is that lagging? Is the stream lagging or everything is good on the stream? Because before I was using Wi-Fi, now I'm not using Wi-Fi anymore. So hope it got better. Yeah, I'm excited about my new website. Oh, look at that. Yeah, pop, pop, pop again. Lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs. 550s. Yeah, I put a website. I put it up a website, have a calculator there. So like you can calculate if you go on contract, your profit target like 50 points, your stop loss 20. So pretty cool. You can calculate everything here. So you put a calculator. So we pop and fail. So So look like we did not hold the pop. Big question that people ask, is that the top? No, we're short here. Your stop gotta be on the highs, huh? You chase here, you're in big trouble. That's it. See what we got. The 5 minutes. We are fading again right here. Maybe the next candle breaks that. I go down here to the 21. How's the stream? Is that better now or no? Man, this stream, I don't know what's going on anymore. That should be better now. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Oh, perfect. Okay, now I think we might pop here. If we don't, my stop would be here. Let's see. Let's see if I can go with the. Ah, it's hard to get filled, man, on futures. On futures, I mean, on the Asian market sometimes. And I don't like doing market order, you know. Stupid. If we go. Yeah, I think we're gonna pop back. We have popping here from the 21. Stupid, stupid. Okay. Second time I try to enter. Second time I try to get in. Second time I try to get in, nothing. So I try to get in again right here. I try to get in here and I don't get filled. Unbelievable. Yeah, we going, man. I keep trying to get in, I don't get in. Let's chase now. Oh,
Order filled.
I did not want to get filled over that. Sure. I ended up buying too high. I don't like it. Take
Order
me on.
filled.
I will not like it. I bought the top of the candle, man. I do not like it. Look at that. Thanks, guy. I got out. Try to get in here. Try to get in 510 here, 505 here. Both times I did not get filled. Now I try to get in all the way on top. Of course I get filled. Luckily, I had the chance to get out. Yeah, look at that candle. See the 5 minutes. Yeah, not so bullish. Hmm. It's bullish, but nothing crazy yet. Look like there are some sellers right here in this little area. Let's see if we close up. How was your weekend? How do you pronounce your name? So high? Am I pronouncing correctly? So high? Yeah, looks like we did not break. It's like we failed the break. Dude, I'm glad that I closed that position. It's like a pop and drop. Oh, now we go. Now she goes with power. Now she goes with power. Let's go. Pop. She's going with power now, man. Look at that. She's strong. MNQ is strong. She's strong, boys. Cleveland sellers gonna keep holding. Sellers are trying to hold right there. Spot futures rise along with oil price as traders wait U.S. attack on Iran over the weekend. So it looks like oil popped as well. I didn't even check. Let me check. Let me check oil. Oh yeah, it's interesting. Oil is going, dumped and pop. Nasdaq is going. Nasdaq is not falling oil. Nasdaq is doing its own thing. Nasdaq is not playing around. Just holding a. I put a position calculator here. I don't know if whoever needs that. So trading with Diego calculator. I'm gonna share that. Whoever needs to calculate the positions, so you know how sometimes we wanna calculate like, hey, if I go on contract and gold, and he explains like how it moves. Wow, look at that. It's pop and drop, pop and drop. Because now it looks very strong, those pops, but hey, it's an uptrend. It's definitely an uptrend. It's an uptrend. I'm not sure if it's kind of like trapping shorts right here or something. Huh. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but I think it's a trap. My opinion. I think it's a short trap right there, but I don't know. In my opinion, it looks like a short trap, but who knows? Who knows? Go back all the way down, be nice. It's you holding. Yeah, it's you holding, man. I don't know if I want to buy his on the highs. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's gonna keep flying. I'm gonna see 600 soon. Sooner than later. 200 than later, we'll see 600. It's not looking as strong as before, the pop, but it's still popping. So that's what the matters. So it's still an uptrend. It's still an uptrend. Let's see the 5 minutes. What's up, Emerson? How are you? Have you taken your trade yet or not yet? Just watching. I tried to get in here, 505. I tried to get in right here, 510. Then I ended up getting here around like 516. Pop a little, I got out. I got in like that was too high. Yeah, everything is like very strong. See, it's bouncing from this big support here. It's bouncing from right here. That's where it's bouncing from. Now, the big question is that are those sellers going to step up? That's a question, right? Are they going to step up or not? So, not sure if the seller's going to step up here. That's the big question. Big question right there. See, it's 1 hour candles taking everybody, man. And those sellers right here going to step up, maybe. Those sellers here. Yeah, it's keep going. Slowly but going. Look at that. Pump, 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 pump. Yeah, the big question, are we gonna pass here? Can be, can go higher, can go all the way to 700, or can pull back down, right? Everything can happen. The thing is that if I go short here, I gotta have a stop around here. If you go long here, yeah, it's tough. Yeah, it's like nothing, very low. It's getting weak. See, here is good, but now it start getting weak and weak. Now it's getting weak. Yeah. Yeah. Still uptrending. Like if I short here, my stop gotta be on the highs here. The range is kind of big though. If you see the range, it's like 30 points, you know. And you go to risk 30 points, 30 points to one contract. Oh, I was on gold. $600. If you're short here and you risk 30 points, it's $600. Yeah, it's getting very weak. It's getting weak now. Yeah, whoever chased here, they open. Got lucky, you know. Got the open here. That was a big pop non-stop. From even if somebody chase around, let's say 350s, you know, 350s all the way to 450, that's a good pop then. Yeah, what's happening here is that boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I got squeezed so much on those days like that because it's strong. But I'm not too confident that's gonna hold. Cause here, not too confident right now. We might now it's getting very low volume. Okay. Yeah. See the spread, man. The spread is crazy. 64 to 67. That's the craziness of Asian market. The spread is so big. Like for example, I try to go long here and I try to go long here. If that was New York, I would definitely get filled. Because New York moves so fast, you know, the buyers and sellers. You can see how slow it goes. So for now, I'm gonna sit on my hand and wait. Can we get a pullback? Yeah, definitely. Why not? You know, so we can get a pullback to like view up maybe. We can go back all the way down. No, everything can happen. Just gotta have your strategy, you know, have your stop loss. Yeah, could definitely be a trap, you know. It's actually bounced right from the. Look how many times it's bounced from here. Okay, multiple times. So once, twice, three times, four times, bounce multiple times from there. But there are sellers here. There's some sellers right here, on that area, here. And when you look at the, like, I don't know, I don't see any like crazy news for that pop to justify, So think about it too. There are a lot of profit taken from all the AI bubble, you can say it. So like during New York, you see all those dumps. Yeah, it could be a big trap for whoever chases. Can you go 5 minutes? Trying to hold her. She's a fighter. She's trying to hold. Now, that's the time of the day that we stay here. Yeah, it's not a tight, not a small range. Look at that candle. This little candle here, 30 points candle, man. You go along here, you get 30 points right away. 30 points right away. And what's 30 points? You calculate it here. 30 points, $600. $600 on one candle. So you go along, boom, 600 right there. I'd be like a ninja. Still uptrend. The trend is still holding. So here were a little downtrend. Now we're up. Now we are up. Wonder if we break that or we are trapping longs. Or we break this up, break out, or it might be just a big trap. Now, let's get at that time there. You gotta have like a good entry because things start moving very slow. And with a bad entry, man, it's gonna be tough to be patient. So now we holding. Yeah, now we go. That's the range I always talking about. I always talk about this range. 30, 40 points. So try to look at the 21. Look at the 21 MA. See, we bounce from the 21. We bounce from the 21. We bounce from the 21. Now, little by little, maybe later on, we're gonna cross the 21 with the 9. There's a lot of algos that follow this strategy. That's a very old strategy, you know. The EMA cross, look at it. Cross here, cross here. That's such an old strategy. Of course, every indicator got a lag, you know. It's not perfect. Every indicator got a lag. Oh yeah, those brands, man. They definitely kill your account because you if you try to, especially if you trade breakouts. Like you know, if you trade breakouts, you buy right here on the resistance and dumps. You're like, okay, I'm gonna sell it. Then you short and goes up, and you're okay long again, man. That's I got destroyed so many times with that thing. Like you see, you try to buy the breakout now. Let's see if it doesn't break out. It goes back down here, and then you like, damn it, you take your loss and you short, and then pops again. See here, buy the breakout, seller here. Okay, now you short, buy again here, seller here, and then it's like when you look, you already lost like $2,000, $3,000. It's pretty insane. So definitely, that's not something that I enjoy. Hey, but if you are buying the low, selling the high, yeah, that's beautiful. So, well, let's see if we get a little cross here. See if we're gonna get that cross. And look at how slow it's getting. It's getting slow, 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 slow now. It's getting very slow. Yeah, that pop was good, man. If you try to fight here, yeah, if you try to fight right here, that would hurt. Big prices now. Are we going to stay on this range for how long? At one point, you're going to break out or break down. Yeah, your entry is important now. See, it's bouncing again right here for the 21. Touch the 21. There might be like a little elbow there. Touch 21, pop. Touch 21, pop. Well, till it doesn't, right? It's gonna do it till it stops doing. Let's look left. Ah, it broke here. The area we broke. But can be a trap, like Emerson is saying, no? It can be a trap. It can break and boom. Can also go up. Can keep going. So far, it's still strong. The volume is low. Well, looks like we're trying again. We're trying again. Touch the 21, pop. It's like moves like nothing. See, 80 to 89. And you look at here, beat and sell. It's like 85. It's like one thing that I like to do, I like to join bid and sell ask. I don't like going market because you go market, you get like a horrible feel. I don't know if anybody else do that, but that's how I like to trade. I do not like going market. Okay, we are still here, still going up. If you think about it, little by little, we are going up. For now, see, let's see if the what I was talking about is right here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna break down. I think we need a good pullback, but let's see. I don't want to be a hero yet if I could train, but we'll see. But if I go short 84, my stop would have to be 600. So yeah, 20 points to stop. 20 points to stop is not bad. It's like what, 400 bucks? Yeah, 400 bucks to stop. So and if I go long here, my stop gotta be 63, so 10 points. 2020 for the short. See the long. 22, so there'll be 2020 as well. Yeah. So 400 bucks. Not bad. Not a bad stop. But again, look, we are crossing those moving average, but nothing confirmed yet. Now we are testing the low of the range. We are testing this area here. That's what we're testing, the low of the range. Okay, so yeah, you see, we held support for now. Now, the moving average flipped. Look at that, you see? Before, that was holding the moving average. Now it flipped. Now the bulls need to reclaim the moving average. So the bulls need to reclaim here. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's fading right there. Maybe that's the reversal. Yay, reversal. Let's see how low can we go now. How low can we go? Still kind of holding here. Still trying to hold. 60, 62. Moving average are trying to cross. They're trying to cross right here. They're trying. Nothing yet. Because they still can go. Oof. That happens a lot. The EMA start crossing here. And the bulls goes and reclaim. But also can fail all the way down. So everything you do right now, just have your stop. Like for example, if I go long here, my stop would have to be below that candle, so 20 points. Short here, a short here would actually be right here, my stop. 80, so everything you do, have your stop. Moving average crossing. We dump. Now it's the time that we guys low. And a little range. So even before, when we start getting right here, I could already see there will be a range. So from here, so like 30 minutes, we're kind of here on this little range. Yeah, looks like we crossed. See the cross right here? Looks like we got a cross right there. We're still trying to hold here. Who is following the World Cup? Are you guys following the World Cup? Looks like Canada won, man. End of the game. Crazy. Crazy. Let's see. World Cup schedule. Canada won today, 1-0. So who Canada plays next? Yeah. See, that's the support right here. We need to break. We need to break. So I don't know if you guys follow the World Cup, but looks like Canada won today. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this right here. Compared to all those sellers. Buyers are in control for now, man. Can we dump? Yeah, sure. Everything can happen. The buyers are here, man. Buyers are right there. Feel like chasing? Absolutely, I feel like chasing. Now, can we pop the highs? It was weak selling, weak selling, weak selling. Pretty much like buyers got more money than sellers. See, buyers here. See how weak they're selling. Yeah, looks like we're going. It's just hard to chase, but I really believe we're gonna keep going now. I really believe we're gonna have the breakout, but I don't chase right here because I would be buying this resistance here and I'll be very pissed if it goes all the way back down. But I believe there is a probability that we keep going, higher probability. But again, I don't go and I don't recommend you to go. I think we're gonna go up, down, up. Let's see. See if we go now. Yeah, looks like she's going. Here you go long here. Your stop gotta be below those. Let's see if I can get a 9.6. Nope. Nope. Hmm. Now it's testing again, testing those highs again. Now the resistance becomes support. Let's see if holds. Is that a fake breakout? Or is that a real breakout? That's the question. That's the question. Real breakout or fake out? Just wait for now. 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes too strong. Gish. Might go like that and can go long here. Your stop gotta be 8ish. Huh. You go long here. Your stop gotta be below. Yeah, like 15 points. You can get 89 to get 30 points. Not bad. Risk 15 to make 30. It's not look too bad. Look at that. Nope again. Man, I cannot get filled. It's like I try to get filled here, I try to get filled here, I try to get filled here, I keep trying to get filled on the bounce. And I do not get filled. Look at that. Now it goes without me again. That she goes. That she goes beautiful. Yeah, looks like we're gonna go all the way up. That's where she's going. All the way here. That's where she's going, man. I'm gonna keep squeezing, you know. You go like, oh, it's too high here. She takes you. Let's think about it for 1 second. Just think about for 1 second. Who is screwed? So somebody answer from the opening till now. Forget everything else. From the opening till now, from till here, right? Till this area, from 5 till 6. Who is in trouble? Are the longs in trouble or are the shorts in trouble? Just think about it for 1 second. From 5 p.m. till 6 p.m. Who is in trouble? Are the longs in trouble or are the shorts in trouble? Tell me why the shorts are in big trouble, man. Think about it. Think about it. Who's in trouble? The longs or the shorts, right? And say you are short that you don't want to take your loss. What do? You short here, you add to your position, you add to your position, you add to your position, you blow your account, right? That happens a lot. It happens to everybody. Who is in trouble? From 6 to 5, right? Are the bulls in trouble? Are the shorts in trouble? Of course, the shorts are in trouble, right? And people are very stubborn, man. They short here, they add, they add, they add, they add, they add. At one point, you're in such a big loss that you gotta cover. So that happens a lot. It's not something new. It's been happening for so long, and it keeps going. It keeps happening, and the market keeps going higher for now, right? And then to reverse, right? Like, look where we're going. You look left, that's where we're going, man. We're gonna test those guys here. That's where we're going for now. So you look left, that's where we're going. But when you think about it, who's in trouble here, right? Are the shorts in trouble? Are the longs in trouble? So now there comes the other question, right? People that are going long here, right? Yeah, for now they're okay, right? It's going in the direction. When you pull back, like for example, I would go long here. If I stop loss below 20s or something, but say 15 minutes. We broke here. Now we are testing here. I think we're gonna test the 74, 8-ish, 700. Like right here, you could see it. Look at that. Like we talked about that. I have a video about that. Emerson was saying something about that. See here? Low volume. Those are the sellers. Look at the buy. Look at the buy. Right? See? You guys see what I'm saying? Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Well, now we got a decent sell right here. At least a little better. It's like decent compared to the other ones. Look. But still not as strong as the buyers, man. Look at the buy. Look how strong they are. And that's not just buyers. The buyers, people covering, like a lot of shorts shows. Shorts start covering. Like you can see here, each cell, it's like low volume. See? Those are the cell. Look at the buys. Look at the buys, how bigger they are compared to the sell. Doesn't mean that always gonna work, right? In trading, one thing you gotta learn is that there's no single strategy that always work. There is no single strategy. You just gotta play the probability, right? Like, okay, if you're gonna play this game, like I'm saying, right? Okay, you're like, oh, nice. I like that. I like that. What do you do? Okay, I go long here, right? You go long here, you gotta have your stop below here, right? So no matter what you do, you gotta have like your stop because it can work 8 out of 10, right? And 8 times if that work, you make let's say 40 points, right? Man, you make 40 points 8 times. Do the math. 8 multiplied by 40, right? And if that doesn't work twice, so you lose 80 points. But when you win, man, you make 8 times there, six, whatever the math is. But see, the sellers are starting to get a little more aggressive, but the buyers are still there. We're still riding the moving average, the 9. Still riding the 9. Very nice, very nice. How you guys doing today? Anybody trader yet? See, the Emerson had 2 trades, one winner, one lost, one by one. XLM coin ETF spot. What? What is that? XLM coin. Not sure what that means, sir. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Don't know what that means. Okay, now sellers are trying to step up. Let's see if sellers can hold. Okay. So the sell is higher than the buy right here. The buy is still higher than the sell. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Okay, a little pullback here. Maybe we pull back all the way to this moving average to 21. That's some good stuff, There's some good stuff that we have to pay attention to. It's like everything. It's like trading is very complex. So we bounce from here to here. Let's see what's the range, price range from here to here. We are at 30 points. So if you go along here, yeah, I can go along here with a tight stop, man. 10 points stop to make maybe 30. If we go up, that looks not bad at all. What does that mean? I removed your comment, the first one, because you put it twice. XLM coin, ETF spot. No idea what that means. Not sure if you're a real person or not. Sir, I don't know if you are real or not, sir. If you are real, say hello. Yeah, we bouncing. We bouncing. Hey, all good, brother. My weekend is not that good. Yeah, man. Hope everything goes good. Like my breakout. My breakout. Sellers are trouble. Like whoever shorting, if you think about it. Short, 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 short. You are pretty screwed, my friend. Whoever is shorting are in trouble. Because you keep adding and adding and adding and adding. I believe in the power of the gods that everything's gonna be good, man. So high. How I pronounce your name? So high? Am I pronouncing your name correctly? So high. Hope I'm pronouncing correctly. So as I wanna pronounce correctly, I wanna learn. One thing I love is learning. Learning and learning, learn. We, something that we always learn something new every day. So high. I think it's so high. I don't know if I'm pronouncing correctly. Shorts are in trouble. Whoever is short and short and shorting, man, you're in trouble, my friend, because you're fighting the trend. And for now, looks like that we're going all the way here. Remember, we actually ready all the way here. We are not going. We are here. The big question is that are we gonna go all the way here to 700s? And that's, I think, when can be a good sell right here. 704, 710 could be a good short. But as always, gotta wait for confirmation, right? Now there's no confirmation that we're gonna go down. See, so many times we get screwed and we keep going. Like whoever is showing all day, again, gonna repeat, from 5 o'clock till 6:10, who's shorter here is in trouble. Because let's imagine you shorter here, shorter here, shorter here. Took a big loss, right? Right? Okay, let's imagine that scenario. And what happened? When we all take a big loss in one direction, we get mad. And you see this little pullback, I'm like, yeah, now it's the dump, man. I'm so stupid, it's the dump. Then pop again. And then you're like, damn it, you add more. Okay, now go back to your entry. And then pop, pop. And if you have a big account, you're gonna keep thinking, it's gonna dump, gonna dump. And it never dumps. So now you're in big trouble. Because psychologically, we don't like to lose, right? And we get mad. And when we get mad, we get even more in trouble. We all do that, man. It's like human emotion. And that's the hardest part in trading, self-control. Long the taking everything. Yeah, I think so too. I think we're gonna keep going up. I think we're gonna keep going up to around here. To 700, maybe 50 more points. And then maybe we gotta pull back. Very curious to see when your pocket opens. I think when your pocket opens, that's when we're gonna really see another direction. But for now, man, like stop running short, keep shorting. It's very hard for me to long now because we are getting closer here. But later I like the idea of shorting around here. Maybe we get a little squeeze up here and then we go down. It's very classic. Market loves to do that. Market loves to do that. I'm gonna take it here and here's the bounce. For now, we're just going. And look at here, look at the volume. Look at here. Boom. Buyers all the way. Sellers are starting to increase, as you can see here. Sell, big seller. But the buyers are still stronger. Buyers are still stronger. So let's think of flags, right? Here was a flag. First, this flag here. We had the first flag that we broke. Now let's do it better. Let's do it like let's make it nicer. 5 minutes, yeah. 5 minutes. We had it there. We broke here in the 5 minutes. Now, what might happen is that we might make another one. Now, let's see what happened. It's like one flag, another flag. Can go along here. Stop, gotta be below 38. I might test all the way here. Be nice if we test all the way down here. I will try. I'm actually gonna put an order right here. See if we go all the way there. Gonna wait. I have an order right there. Gonna leave her there. Just need to remember to remove it, I just remember to remove. As I go here, my stop is gonna be on 20. Okay, 31, 21. Can be 20 points. Let's see here my calculator. If you guys don't know, I create a website. Now on my website, I have a calculator. On the calculator, you can calculate. If I want a 20 points loss, it's $400. So here on the calculator, it says $1.20. So let's see if we get that. We got a little pullback there. Go all the way to 17. I don't use Discord too much. I don't know about you guys. Have you guys been using Discord for a very long time? I'm new to Discord. But man, I see so many spams on Discord. Like now on the channel that I have I think most of you guys are part of the channel, the Trading with Diego. I feel that nobody kind of like interact. Like we have 33, we have 40 people, and I don't see much interaction though. So is that normal? Are you guys part of any Discord group? And so I don't see much interaction. Come on, can I get fueled? Can we go? 31. Want to hit here. Let's see here. 29 and pop back. See, I'm gonna put my order there because I keep not getting fueled. So 21. It's actually below the moving average, but let's see if we go there. I wonder if I'm gonna buy right when it start dumping like crazy. So let's see. I have my order ready. That's all. I have my order here. 5 minute chart. We're here. See if we go back down and we try back up. So see. Yeah, we bouncing from the 21. That's why we keep bouncing from the 21. I'm gonna wait because I don't wanna have my order there when it's like 7 o'clock, My wait and leave my order right there. So we got 5 likes. Thank you guys. Let's see if we can get at least 20 today. Let's see if we make 10. If you double that. I've been online for how long have I been online? How can I see? Okay, I see. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's see if we got like a couple more likes there, guys. And you ask Diego, but why you wanna like? Because likes helps the stream to grow, to help more people to see. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. So if you could do me a favor, hit that like if you have been learning something today. That would be nice. Yeah, like you see, like let's see the volume again. Yeah, it's getting weak. It's not getting as strong as before. Look at here. It's not getting as strong. It's still growing. When you compare sell with buy, still stronger. But it's not as strong as before. So it's not as strong. Look at that. It's funny that my Discord is new and people already creating like fake accounts with my name. Are you kidding me? Wait till it grows, right? Only have like 40 people so far. Well, we might break out. So do you guys have any suggestions? Like, let me go through here. Okay, so I create this website, tradingdiego.com, prop firms, the prop firms review, the one that I'm part of so far. Then you can go back here to the mainstream. You can see the ones we have. You can pop here, click here. You can get an account. Like, let me load something here because it's not popping up. Yeah, there's something here that should pop up. But do not pop. Yeah, we go. See? Pop up all of them. I want suggestions. What do you guys want to see? Like something that helps me, that's why I put it here. Position calculator. That thing helped me. Daily trading dashboard, for example. That's something that I also look every day. I look at the economic calendar. See, like, for example, tomorrow what we're gonna have, the time that we're gonna have the news. So I look at those things, right? I check those things every day. So I put it here on the website. Live chart, I also check, of course, who doesn't? So I put it here as well, right? In different markets, you can select different markets, market news, what are the news? So that's looks like it's 2 days old. I'm gonna try to see if I can find like live news somehow. Technical analysis, I need to fix that. See, only gold is working as a strong sell on the daily. 1 minute, 5 minutes. So I'm gonna fix those things. Um, I don't know. What do you guys think I should look at here? Like, what do you guys think that would be something that would be helpful for you? So let me know so I can work on that. Always open for new ideas. Share your idea. So I was talking to a friend. I was talking to him on chat, on WhatsApp chat, and he was telling me that he wanna calculate profit loss type of thing. Like, okay, I invested, I'd say $300 on prop firms. I want to see what's my return. So I might put something like that, something that I can calculate your return. But I don't know. I'm open for ideas. I wanna put more stuff. I wanna again. I don't know what I should put it there. So maybe like a free PDF. Yeah, I have a book that I wrote, and I might put there like a sample of the book. So I don't know. Let's see. Open for ideas. There are some newsletters that I'm part of. I might put it on the website. Instead of sending people email, I might put on the website like some daily things. I'm not sure. I'm thinking. So whatever you guys suggest, I'm open to ideas. Well, the buyers are getting a little weaker, but it's going. It's going. There's no sell. There we go. See, we're going all the way up to 700. That's what it looks like for now. But yeah, so far, shorts got in trouble. Close your eyes and you buy. Sometimes they happen, sometimes they happen to the short side. You just short, and keep it going lower. Yeah, sell, man. It's like weak. If you see the sells, boom. Sell, pop. Look all the buyers. After the sell, come one big buyer. See? After the sell, one big buyer. Look at the candle. That candle covered three sell candles, right? So here's the sum. That candle here, the buy candle, covered four buyers, four sell candles. So that's buyers are in control, man. The buyers are strong. The buyers are strong for now. Now we're just popping non-stop. And we keep going, guys, non-stop. Look at that. You just buy, man. You buy and you let it ride. It's crazy. Today is one of those days. You don't fight the market. Yeah. Okay, then we're going here to 714. Now, the big question is that we have juice to go all the way here. Let's see if we're gonna have the power. Because for now, we got the power to go here. 700. So we're going all the way to 700s. I actually have a stand desk. I totally forgot. Sometimes I forget that I have a stand. Let me put this thing higher because sometimes I kind of get a little tired, and I'm like, dude, stretch, little stretch. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. I should know where that come from. That come from Honey Coleman. If you are into like working out, you definitely know who Honey Coleman is. Oh, yeah, I can put my microphone here. There we go. There we go. Let's go. I have a container here that says $1,000 a day keeps the day job away. You know, sometimes I put those little reminders in front of me, like for example, that one, make money trading, because it's you see just numbers on the screen, right? You don't really think about it much when you just see numbers. Like imagine you went long here and you were holding. It's like how many points is that? It's like just you see numbers, but see that's 130 points. 130 points, man. How many? 130 points. Let's see here. Let's see, go to my calculator. 130 points. Let's see, 130. 130 points with one contract. 2,600, Three contracts. 7,800. So when you just see numbers in front of you, you don't think much. So that's why I have those reminders I put in front of me, like $20 a day and so forth. So I like putting those reminders, like you see, $1,000 a day keep a day keeps the day jobs away. So just little reminders that I like to put in front of me. So man, much better now. My desk is a standing desk. Now I'm up. It's much better because I was getting tired. Okay, come on. We're gonna dump now. We went to 780, 680. Let's look left. 680. There we go. Now we are getting somewhere. Now we are getting somewhere. See? Now we are getting somewhere. Now we are getting finally. So finally getting there. So looks I'm starting to look interesting on the short now. So short here 650, still not there, but the buys are coming. I'm gonna wait a little, but I think when we go, man. I think when we reverse because I think we took a lot of sellers. We took a lot of sellers along the way. All the people that are shorting very early, they got in trouble. I think we're coming to a pullback pretty soon. So I'm not sure if what's gonna be now, but I think the pullback is coming. So we'll see. We'll see. And I gotta respect my stop. That's one thing that I always go and I think, man, hope today I respect my stop, because sometimes I just don't. I just forget about it. But you gotta respect your stop, man. That's kind of one of the hardest part. To respect the stop. Okay, looks like we're still popping, man. We're still going. We're still going. Hey, if you have not, please like and subscribe. We are working hard for free. Like just to make like everything free. You know, if I make money, I'll be making money later on with affiliate. But I want to do free things, you know. I want to share knowledge for free and spend money with so much crap in the past. I don't know if you guys know Team Sykes. Fuck, man, like more than 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I spent like $10,000 buying like some class from Team Sykes. And I don't know if you know investments on the ground. I paid for that and so many others, you know. So, yeah, let's look here. Starting to look close for the short. I'm starting to get interest on the short. Not yet. We have no reason to short yet. See, there's no confirmation. Like, I don't need to grab the top. I just want to grab the middle, right? Like, for example, I'm going to give one example. Let's imagine here's the top, right? I don't want to short here. I do not. But after it's confirmed, yeah, I want to go, right? And I think we're getting close. I think we're getting very close. So I think we're getting very close. Let's see if we pop a little more here to 60s. Come on, give him a little pop. Think I'm interested now.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm interested. My stop gonna be all the way up. All the way up. So might be too soon. I will see. We will see. Might be I'm too soon. Yeah, looks like I'm very soon. Looks like I'm too soon because the seller came and the buyer came stronger. Look at that. Ooh, very soon I got in.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Yep. I thought we were going to go. We did not. We're gonna go at one point. Not yet. Those are the worst, you know, like fail, pop, fail again.
Order filled. Order
Let's
filled.
see if we're gonna give a failure now, or I'm gonna get screwed twice.
Order filled.
Let's see. Mhm. Get a bigger seller. The seller gotta keep pushing. See, the buyer is still bigger than the seller. There we go. Keep pushing. Come on, that was close. Come on, keep pushing. The buyer stepping back. Come on. Ah, the buyer's like, nope, not yet. The buyers keep holding. Oh no, the buyers are holding. Yeah. Are we going all the way to 700? Or we gonna drop maybe here to like 620, 630-ish. Let's see. See if we can go at least like to 40. Yeah, for that would work for me, we need to break here. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see. Come on. Now let's go. 53, 50s. We need to break here. Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna take. Come on, hit. Now. Yeah, I don't like going market
Order
order, but I'm
filled.
gonna go. I don't like going market order. That's what was my feel. Uh, that's what I got. 52. I got filled at 52. I should like the short. See the moving average is starting to cross. Bias is still higher than the sell. Look at the. It's bias going down. I'll be back. I gotta go to the restroom. Okay? I'll be right back. Be right back. Make sure you like, subscribe. Alright, I'm back. Everybody left. It's okay. I had to go to the restroom. Hello, camera. Hello. Okay, so looks like we're going down. Looks like my short was good. Should have kept my short. But at 52, that's kind of would be my exit. So yeah, looks like we keep going, pulling back. I think 7 o'clock is gonna tell the story. When we get a 7, we'll see. Couple minutes. We're gonna get the pop or the drop. Couple minutes. Yeah, 7 o'clock, man. It's going down. Going down, down, down. Nice pullback if you think about it. Look, we pop, pop, pop. That's where we went. See right here. I even said, man, like if we go here, I like the short. Just did not hold my short very long. My first short was here. It popped against me. Second short here. Look now, the sellers are stepping back up. Sellers are holding. Oh boy. Oh boy, nice sell. Nice sell right there. Look at that. Finally, we're getting good selling. Selling pressure, man. Look at that. Now that was a good sell. Now the sellers are coming strong. Man, can I have my short back? That man. Look at that. My short was 6,825, 6,450, 659 right here. Oh boy. It's 100 points or more from my entry. 100 points. I had 3 contracts. So, see, of course, if I held, right? 6,000. Would I hold? No, much like, dude, like we're giving back everything. Look at that. Well, now let's see if we hold here. The Asian guys woke up to sell. They woke up, let's sell. Man, look at that. Boy, oh boy. They woke up selling strong. They woke up selling everything, man. They woke up selling. Dude, look at that. Are we gonna sell everything? Look at the sellers. Look at the sell pressure. You know. Hey, I'll not be surprised if that's the algo right here. The algo go like fucking buy everything and squeeze. Boom. And the algo goes like now, since we have new buyers here, and the algo is already making money from here, start selling like crazy. True. Why not? Everything is possible in this damn market. Some sellers, some buyers are waking up. Look at that. Look at that. Some buyers are waking up, maybe. Nope. Sellers, more sellers than buyers. More sellers than buyers. See, see some buyers step up. And some buyers get in. It's your short. It's your sell. You're bouncing from here. Moving average. Okay. Sellers are in control. Man, oh man. Sellers are strong. Isn't that beautiful where we failed? Look at that. That's exactly where we failed. It's exactly where we failed. Right at the level that I was talking about. Man, oh man, look at that. Buyers are back or what? Let's see. Let's see. So far, sellers are strong. Now, let's see if we break the 9. Let's see if we break the 9. I had a perfect entry short here. Did not hold very long, but you short here, your stop gotta be on top of the 20 point, man. 20 points. Short here, my stop gotta be 20 points. I like the little bear flag. I think it's a bear flag now. Earlier we had this little bull flag. Now I think we might start forming like a little bear flag here, maybe. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, you see we're fading right here on 9. So maybe we need to break the 9 for the longs. Yeah, if I short, my stop gotta be all the way here, 51. See, we are touching there. That's I think where we're gonna keep failing. We're gonna keep failing here. Can we fail now? Yeah, see, that's the EMA. That looks like it's failing. It's the same EMA that was bounced. Don't know. Don't know. Better to wait a little, you know. Okay, so we reclaim the moving average now. Okay. Can we hold now? Can the moving average do like that and meet that one here? And the candles go here. Maybe. I tell you what, finally got some big sellers. And if you were not here, I got a good entry, man. My entry was right here. Actually, I had two entries. My first entry was here. So I took my stop here. Then I saw the second one. I got in with a bigger position. Then I got out here. All right. I went to the bathroom. Too bad I didn't hold. See if we go now. Reclaim them. So reclaim the moving average. View up now. Oh boy. Oh boy, buyers are waking up again. Yep. Buyers are back, but look at the sellers. The sellers are still a little stronger than the buyers for now. Let's see. See if that candle gonna get a follow through. Looks like it is. 27 to 59, so it failed. So let's see if we hold that. See if later they're gonna cross. 9 and 21 if they're gonna cross. Right here they crossed. See the big cross right here? See if they go up here and they cross or not. See. Not a strong sell. Not a strong sell so far now. Not very strong. See, like, looking there. I have a video about that, if you want to watch, I have a video about volume. See, see, it's pushing. It's pushing for now. Yeah, I might like the longs, but we'll see. Let's see, okay. This candle hits a little bullish. Forward, push. Now it's pushing back. Mm, yeah, it's still did not go through view up. Like we failed on view up for now. See? Fail view up. So see, let's see if we hold here the area. You look left. Looks like honestly looks like a bear flag. Look at that. If you don't know what a bear flag is, that's a bear flag, right? So for a bear flag to be done, that's gonna break down, right? So right here we had a bull flag. See, we broke the bull flag to the upside. So and we kept going, right? That's kind of what it looks like. Maybe it's a bull flag. We'll see. It's funny, that's actually the same area, right? Okay. That's exactly the same area. So see if whoever was buying here and did not sell it, it's probably like desperate. If you bought it here and you did not sell it here, what are you thinking now? Damn it, are you gonna add more? Add? Or you're gonna take a pro? Or you're gonna be like, fuck it, break even? One or the other. For now, that's kind of showing weakness. So my hold here. See, that's the previous spot right here. We held here, and we hold again. Okay, those sellers, those buyers, whoever was buying here, now it's like, damn it, I'm in trouble. Whoever was buying here have the stop loss here, and the liquidity come your way now. That might be what's happening. So there might be a liquidity hunt. There might be a stop loss hunt. Yeah, that's nice. Nice pop from here. Back to 500s. We are back to 500s. Let's go. Just some buys, step up. I think at one point we're gonna cross the 2 moving average and we go. Maybe, maybe, I don't know. If we look left, right? Now let's look at where we failed. We failed here, right? Whoever was shorting earlier got in trouble, right? Here now my bounce here. Not too sure if that's the bounce. It's starting to look like, but we're trying again. We're trying the moving average again. See? So I always talked about it. I always talked about like what we fail. Usually we fail on those moving average, right? So that's exactly what we fail, right? Fail here. We popped here. Right here we reclaim the moving average, but then we tried again and we failed. Now we try again the moving average. So yeah, yeah, that's where we fail. Fail right here. And she's bleeding. She up a lot though. Let's see here. Quotes. Ah, not that much. 100 points now. We dumped 200, man. We dumped from 6 to 4. Shit, 200 points. No pop. Man, the market's gonna go back red. Isn't that beautiful? Selling everything out. Shit. I feel like chasing here, but it's tough. See, failed once, failed twice. And that's what I was talking about earlier, the bear flag. See, that's what I was talking about. I was talking about the bear flag. And we might do the pattern. You know the pattern? The big dump pattern. Man, shit, I'm like on a 1 second chart. Dang, dang, dong. She's a bleeder. He's a big bleeder. It's crazy. 72. Yeah, the scary part for me is those pops. Like, look at the pop here. It's like 50 points pop till it drops again. So maybe another 50 points pop before we drop again. Nope, not this time. Not this time. This time we just sell, man. Oh, how many points are we away from the open? We open here 120 to go right on the day, the market. 120 points. Now I'll go back what I was talking about earlier, right? I was talking about here earlier that who was in trouble here? Who was in trouble here, right? The shorts are in trouble, right? The sellers are in trouble, right? Now we go back and ask the same question. Who is in trouble here, right? Who is in trouble here? Who is in trouble here, right? Now, whoever was buying here, expecting like a crazy run, right? Now they are thinking, because it's going up. You think you were very smart, right? But now you're like, damn it, why I didn't sell it, right? Now who is in trouble? Look like longs now. They are. Or did I think I cut my moving average? Yeah, now longs are probably like, damn it, right? So that's what I ask myself. Man, my Discord channel is kind of dead. Nobody answer anything. Phew, you guys are quiet, man. Quiet people. See how many likes we get. We got 6 likes. Can we get at least 4 more? Come on, guys. Can we get 4 more likes? Let's go. Yeah, man, look at this thing. It's like no love. No love. No love. Trying to hold here. She's trying to hold. She's trying to hold right there. Yes, buyers are trying to hold here. I don't know. I still think we might task here. I don't want to short here. 400 pop to 20 points on me. It's tempting for a short, but go with the flow, right? We're going low, you got a short. We're going high, you got a long. There I had so many opportunities to short, right? I had the opportunity here, I had it here, maybe here as well. Because I think we're gonna go all the way here. I think we're gonna take all those buyers out. We're gonna take all those top loss. Yeah, we keep going. Keep going lower. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I should do here. Short here, gotta have a tight stop. I think it's a short, but are we gonna pop it here first before the drop? Nope. I could keep selling, man. Non-stop sell. Wait, let's wait. I think there's no reason yet to go long. It looks like we're gonna test again. We might go to the next moving average will be here, right? First fail here, maybe next there. Like here, there was the pop, pop. Yeah, but it looks like she's so weak. She's so weak. Yeah, these buys are here, not bad. See this buy right here? This buyer here is not bad. We're failing. It's not holding. She is not holding well. It's still trying to hold. Tomorrow, Brazil against Japan. 12. Good game if you follow the World Cup. Germany and Paraguay. Morocco and Netherlands. Okay, so we pop in there. See the 2 minutes, yeah. It's not bad. To remove this. And by stepping up here. This is be here. It's not very strong yet. Not a strong buyer. Not very strong. Mini, I don't trust yet, but let's see. I'm gonna wait. Think if we go here, I would risk a short with a tight stop. But let's see how strong that pop is gonna be, right? Because see what I'm analyzing? I'm analyzing the see here the sellers are stronger than the buyers. Stronger sellers. Now this buyer here came a little strong. Wait, yeah, it's a very weak bounce. Can we bounce up? We gonna fail. The worst is gonna happen if that we start going here. Man, that's the account destroyer. See? I like this short around here, 20-ish. Buyers are popping there. Buyers are trying to push right here. Sellers are not letting go. Yeah, not holding, man. It's not holding. It's trying to hold here. No, the previous resistance. Now this previous resistance become a support now, looks like. See? The area right there. It's holding for now. Not sure if we're gonna have a lot of juice. Hey, now we are what I was talking about. Touching the moving average that I was talking about. See, I was talking about touching here. So if I short here, I'm gonna have a tight stop to 20. Let's see if I make it work.
Order filled.
Hmm. It's pushing. She's pushing. Yeah, the buyers are trying to
Order
push.
filled.
See, buyers, buyers, buyers. Ugh, I don't know. She made, I think, $50 there or something. Yeah, $55, but I don't know. I should have held because my idea was here. See, failing right there on the 21. I just didn't trust it. I didn't trust it because it's holding very well, but it's because I look left here and I see the area here kind of, but like, it's nothing actually. Like, if you look 5 minutes, yeah, nothing really. Just like I felt that this area here would be like a support, but I don't know. Kind of pushed out. Pushed out. Yeah, now it's a better pop. And the EMA is kind of crossing. So I was talking about earlier, this cross. See, it's happening. Getting like a little cross right there. Yeah, look like we might go up now. Yeah, we holding, holding very nice. Yeah, the moving average now, it's a big cross right here. I'm glad I got out of my short. Should have flipped long. Yeah, she's going on stop. Okay. It's a beautiful long for whoever took it. Look at here. And EMA cross. Very nice. See, the market's giving opportunity on both sides. The long side here, the long, and now the short side here. Boom. The hard part is being patient, right? Like whoever was patient to short here. Because look where we went. Went all the way here. Went right here. If somebody was shorting before, it's not good. Now we are getting a little bounce from here. Can we hold that bounce? That's the question, right? Can we keep going? Can that bounce keep rolling? That's a big question. That's it. We're gonna touch the lows again. Let's see if we touch the lows. Now we went from 58 to 40. We're gonna touch those EMAs. Oh boy. It's actually not a big seller. See here? He was a bigger seller. Yeah, those buyers here are good. The seller came here. That one pushed. Low volume. That's what I talked about in my last video. Now, are we gonna hold here or are we gonna go all the way down? Hmm. Oh boy, we might touch the low. Whoever was long here and did not take profit, ooh, probably under stress now. Well. We went all the way to 450s, 460s. So good. Are we gonna touch the lows that quick? Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna short, but I'm gonna wait a little. Let's see if we go here. Let's see if we go like that, then like that, then we go. If we get back around here, I'll short with my stop here. That's my idea. Around 25, 30-ish. To have my stop on the way down. Because I don't want to short now and go all the way back up. The problem is that sometimes never go up there, so I just keep going. So, but if we go, a lot of things in trading for me, it's if then. If this happen, then I do that. So if we go here to 30-ish, I go. So it starts in the lows, maybe we go here. Looks like we not go. Can I go here? Because if I short here, what is my stop? Here? Shit. No way. So if I get at least like half the move. If we go here and I short here, I can have my stop here, right? See? Let's see if that happens. So 21, 30-ish. 30 would be nice if I could get 30-ish. That would be very nice. So I'll leave my order there for now. Let's see if we get there. The idea here is that go here, dump. It's you a lot actually. Like if even if I'm short here, my stop gotta be 30 points. Oof. I mean, it's you better than short in here. Look at that. So look like we might touch that. So the idea is go here and dump.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Now my stop. My stop right away. Ooh, my stop is very far actually, and let's see, it's a strong bias. Yeah, you know what? Fucking gonna scalp this bitch. I'm not gonna hold.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I do not like it. But actually, I think I was dead right, man. Look at that now. Hmm. Shit. It looks like it's flipping back. Yeah, it's flipping back. It looks like there was just like a short trap, maybe. It's just like a short here, and then you get screwed. Maybe. I don't know. I can still see the what my idea happened like there, and like there, but also I can also see that thing go all the back up too. Let's see, 5 minutes. Hmm. Let's see. On the first trade, I was risking around like $500, right? But the thing is that how I trade, I feel the candles, I feel the volume. I don't go like a systematic type of trading. So I see the movement, right? Because sometimes I have an idea, right? Like my idea goes like that, and like that, and like that. But if I feel that it's not gonna happen, I just get out. So it's like now. See, like now I think it's kind of like flipping. So if I go long here, let's see how much I would put in there. So you go long here, it's like 39 points, a lot of points, man. So you gotta expect like 80 points there. So yeah, you go long here, you gotta risk 20 points. Yeah, on the last trade it was like 30 points. That was a little too much, on my last trade. But then I did not feel that trade was right, so I just got out. I was even going to take a loss. I'm like, no, I think I'm gonna take a loss. So I went short here. See? So my stop would be there to go all the way here. But then when that candle formed, I'm like, I don't like this candle. Because I'm looking here and look at that. It just buys non-stop. See buyers coming all the way. Ah, that's not bad. 120, yeah, it's not bad, man. What platform are you trading? What platform is that you are? 120, yeah, it's okay. See, now let's see if we're gonna hold here. Let's see the 5 minutes. Okay, they might hold up here. Might be another bear flag. Can be. Can be another bear flag, but the interesting part is that when we went up, man. We went up with no like pullbacks. Yeah, looks like we're going up. Buyers are back. Look at that. Buyers are back. Oh, Lucid. Yeah, I like Lucid. I have some Lucid too, Flux. I'm gonna trade them tomorrow morning. Yeah, look at the buyers are back, man. Look at that. Buyers are back. Those sellers here like nothing. Yeah, that's it. It's crazy. Sometimes we come like see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 green candles. We just push very hard. We just push, man. Yeah, we had the EMA cross right here. Then we retest the lows. So we had the cross, then we retest the lows, and we went all the way up. I thought we were going to go up and down, but that did not happen. Wonder if we're gonna go past here. Go past here. Then we go back like that and we push again. And we test there. I think if we test right here, I will try a long. If we go all the way there, I will try a long here. So let's see. If then, that's the thing. If we go here, I try a long and I would put my stop around 60s, 20s, 40s. I would have to be here. So see the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes we're pushing again. I'm gonna try view up pretty soon. 15 minutes. Ooh, look at that, man. That's a beautiful bullish candle, man. Such a beautiful candle for the bulls. Bang. See the 30. 30, nothing. 1 hour. 1 hour, it's still okay. Bullish, but nothing crazy. It's crazy how we fail right there. You know? If you were here earlier, you saw that I had a nice short. My short was around here. I usually don't like to go on tops, right? But like my first short was 72. Then I got stopped. No, my first short was 58. I got stopped at 82. Then later I went again. 68, 64. No, at 68 I got out of 52. So yeah, but the 15 minutes looks strong. Yeah, let's see if we hold here. Yeah, we're holding, man. Like we're gonna pop. Might come on those crazy candles. If I go around here, how many points would I have to? My stop would have to be 30 points, you know. Yeah, 30 points. If I risk 30 points, if I risk 30 points, it's like $600, you know. I risked 30 points, $600. So here we would have to pop 30 points to justify that. Okay. We're right on view app. 500s. Back to the 9 moving average. See if some big seller might come. Oh, that was a big seller for sure. Shit. Bang, bang. Yeah, that's a big seller right there, man. See if we do how we did it here. Look at the big seller come, the big buyer come back. Whew. Dang, dang. So we touch the 21 right here. That's the 21 moving average. Touch there. We're gonna hold. Yeah. My bounce here. Let's see the 100 ticks. She's trying to hold. She's trying to hold. Still trying to hold. But then, see, we're getting a cross. We got a cross here. We're getting a cross here. But like that's different time frame. Still kind of on the bull side here. Some view up fail there. Some view up fail. See 1 minute. Trying to bounce here. Look at that. See the bounce? Let me show you what I'm talking about. 1 second. Let me talk to the wife. Hey, baby, what's up? Okay, it's not raining here yet, but I will do that like when I see it. I will do it soon because I'm live here, So yeah, but I will do it soon. Okay, all right, bye bye. Yeah, so the wife, she wanted me to remove the cushions from the outside. She put all those stuff, women they put stuff on the looking pretty on the back and on the balcony. I usually let the balcony. I don't remove anything she want to be removing. So yeah, see, okay. So what I was talking about, anyway, I was talking about that's why we bounced. See here, we failed. See here, why I'm saying that. See here, like again. See here, where we bouncing, bounce, because that's the moving average. It's like there's a lot of strategies that follow those things, and the market is moved mostly by algos. It's not Diego or John or Josh or Dennis or Patrick or Mike, whoever is buying. It's like algos. Algos come strong. They come like crazy. Look, I can see this go, 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 go. It's algos, man. It's tempting to go long here and just keep going the breakout. Let's see if I risk it.
Order filled.
Let's see if I go. Quick scalp there. I don't want to marry this thing.
Order filled.
It's a quick scalp right there. I don't want to marry this thing and I'll be done soon. Probably now, I think. So, all right, guys, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like, and let's grow together, man. Hope you enjoy the live stream. Today was a 3 hours live stream, so thank you. Bye bye. Have a good weekend. Have a happy